Wow, did we ever get an ice storm last night? Look at this. Everything is ice. Car is ice. It's just like frozen. Everything. So we've got 3 vehicles. We have 3 different methods that we're going to use to unthaw this car, because you've obviously watched my other video and maybe it didn't work for you. We have a tree touching the Explorer. That's always good. We have ice falling from the trees. I got to get these vehicles moved before something horrific happens. So let's get to our solutions. Okay, so we have 3 solutions, and these are what they are. 1, we're just going to use a household vinegar and water mix, which I've already done 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water. We're going to do a isopropyl 2 parts to 1 part, and then we're going to do room temperature water, 2 cups to every 1 tablespoon of salt. We're going to use 7, and then we're going to pour it into a pail and then test all 3 of these on 3 different vehicles and see which one de-ices the quickest. The nice thing about the salt water mix is that you can pour it on the vehicle, and when the water hits the ground, it's not going to cause instant freezing, which is nice when you've already got a skating rink outside of your house and you're trying not to fall and break your neck. Okay, so now we've done that, we've got the isopropyl water mix. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to show you the vehicle is unlocked. I did not show you that on the Explorer, I apologize. Okay, the Explorer is unlocked because the mirrors are out. So that's, I still can't get in. It's probably going to try to lock on me. Let's see. We need to get in the door jambs all the way down. Thankfully, you can hear it. You can hear it working. Okay, so we've got our vinegar solution. So let's start spraying. It says it won't de-ice very well. Unlock. See if this was also unlocked. Still couldn't open it. So try this again, see if it opens this time. I have a bad feeling that it won't. Okay, so ooh, that one opens as well. Woo, would you look at that? Hallelujah. All right, now let's go try the Explorer. I see water in. Hallelujah, look at that. Would you look at that? They're all working. Holy cow. Look at that. Big chunks. Oh yeah. I don't recommend trying this if it's as frozen as it was before, because it closes the mirror. So let's go lock once. There we go. She's fired up, baby. Let's go get the other vehicles fired up. Oh man. Don't come down on me. Don't you dare. Yes, I understand you probably don't have remote start in your vehicle, but if you do want to have remote start in your vehicle, let me know in the comments, and if you get enough people that want to see it, then perhaps the Volkswagen will get one. One thing I wanted to comment on is, yes, all the vehicles did open. I did not show you the full extent of how long it took to open each vehicle, but they did all open. However, my finding from the video was, use whatever you can to get into your vehicles. Most of us are not going to have heat guns, so I'm not going to use something like that. I want to use something that anybody can potentially use in their house. The vinegar and water solution I was actually most surprised by, because I did not actually think it was going to work. But hold up. Perhaps you want to prevent this from happening. Check out this video over here. Maybe this video over here. If this video is helpful to you guys, hit that like button, consider subscribing. And if you didn't like it, I'm sure you're going to tell me in the comments. But I hope you're having a great day. I hope you guys are taking care. And we'll see you next time on another episode of Southtown Garage.